I always bring the material in. So you can push the material out or you can bring the material in. For me, the most controllable way is by shrinking. So the idea is that you have your lower die and you have your top die. These are called shrinking dies or thumbnail dies because of the shape of this. So what this does is that metal or aluminum is like very much like clay. You can, it's malleable, you can work it. So what this die does is as you feed the die, as you feed your material through the machine, through the dies, what this peak here does is that it creates a peak on your material when you're feeding it. When you're pulling it back out, the flat part of the die pushes down on that peak and it creates a tiny little fold on your material. So if you do that enough times, then what that does is that's what creates the shape. So if you look at this piece of paper, you see how it pulls down. So that's the purpose behind this wire frame in the way that I use it. But you can do this off of a wooden buck. You can take, if there was a car sitting here,